In today's video, you will learn how to add photo over video in CapCut PC. Adding a photo over a video is a simple but powerful editing technique that can make your content look more engaging and professional. This effect is commonly used for tutorials, reaction videos, presentations, gaming content, and social media edits, where you want to display an image while your video continues playing in the background. CapCut makes this process very easy by allowing you to layer images directly above your video and fully customize their size, position, and timing. To begin, import the video footage you want to use as your background clip and place it onto the timeline. This video will act as the base layer for your project, while the image will appear on top of it as an overlay. Once your background video is in place, head over to the Media section and choose the Import option. From there, upload the image you want to place over the video. This could be a logo, screenshot, photo, graphic, or any visual element you want to display during your clip. After importing the image, drag it onto the timeline and make sure it is placed above the video layer instead of next to it. Positioning the image on a higher layer is what creates the overlay effect. As soon as you do this, you will notice the image covering the entire screen. This happens because the image automatically fills the video frame by default. To fix this, use the scale controls on the right side to reduce the size of the image until the video becomes visible again in the background. Once the image is resized, you can reposition it anywhere on the screen by dragging it within the preview window. This gives you complete flexibility over where the overlay appears. For example, you can place it in the corner like a logo or center it for emphasis. You can also adjust the timing of the image by dragging the edges of the overlay layer in the timeline. This allows you to control exactly when the image appears and disappears during the video. Matching the image timing with your content can make the edit feel much smoother and more professional. If needed, you can also adjust the duration of the background video the same way by trimming its edges. Once everything looks the way you want, preview your project to make sure the overlay placement and timing feel natural. And that is how you add a photo over a video in CapCut PC using simple overlay and scaling tools to create cleaner and more professional looking edits.